For question number 3, for each pair of second order system specification that follow, find the location of the second order pair of poles. So we have the three given A, B, and C. So from A, we have the percentage of 12%, and our time is 0.6 seconds. And for B, we have 10% and 5 seconds. And for C, we have 7 seconds and 3 seconds. So for TS and TP. Okay, now for letter A, we have the 12% and the time of 0.6 seconds. So to get the poles, we will use this formula, ratio times the natural frequency. So before that, we will use this formula for getting the value of our dump ratio. So we will just input all the values, all the given values, so until we arrive in this. So we will just compute this, and our answer of our dump ratio is 0.56. So now we can get now our value of our natural frequency. We have this formula. So we have the value of our dump ratio, which is 0.56. We will just input it here. So our TS is 0.6 seconds. So we will compute this, and the answer is 11.9. So that is the value of our natural frequency. So now for poles, from this formula, we will just input all the values from our dump ratio and our natural frequency here. So we will just compute it. So we have the positive and negative result. So you have the negative 0.66 and positive negative J9.86. So that is the value of, or the answer of our poles in letter A. For letter B, we have our percentage of 10% and our TP is 5 seconds. So again, from this formula, we will just input all the values until we arrive in this answer. In this equation. So we will just compute it. So our answer of our dump ratio is 0.59. And the formula of our natural frequency is here. So we will just input the value of our dump ratio from the square root of 1 minus the dump ratio squared. So here is our equation. So if we compute that, our answer is 0.78. So that is the value of our natural frequency. So now for our poles from this formula. So if we compute this, our answer is this, the negative 0.46 plus minus J 0.63. So that is the answer of our letter B from poles. For our letter C, we will use this formula for getting the value of our dump ratio and natural frequency. So 4 over TS, which our TS is 7 from letter C from our given. So we compute this, our answer is 0.57. So that is our answer for our dump ratio and natural frequency. So we will proceed to get the value of our natural frequency with the square root of 1 minus dump ratio squared. So we will use this formula, which is our TP is 3, so 3 seconds. So pi over 3 is our answer is 1.04. So we will just input all this value from this given, from our formula that we use, and this is our answer. We arrive in this answer, which is negative 0.57 plus minus J 1.04. So that is the answer of our letter C.